We've been working with Victron for several years now. The product's quality and application flexibility are outstanding. But with our strong IT background, we needed something more. Something that would allow us to develop unique and innovative ideas. And then boom! Victron introduces Node-RED, a flow-based development tool for visual programming. What exactly is Node-RED? I am Bartek, the CTO at ENERP. Let me help you understand how it works and how we've leveraged it for our own applications. As a short introduction, I need to mention that we are preparing for the energy transformation, and time is running out. With the increasing number of renewable energy sources that are difficult to control, energy storage systems are becoming more important than ever. However, as this transformation takes place at different paces in different countries, we need a tool that can handle the widest possible range of system use cases. At ENERP, we are a company that is always 2 steps ahead and tries to respond for the changing needs of customers on the market. In Poland, the energy billing system has been evolving for some time. It has changed from net metering, where it was possible to receive the energy previously sent to the grid on a barter basis, to net billing, in which you sell energy at a monthly given price and then buy it back later. The final form of the billing system is to be introduced in 2024, where energy prices will change dynamically and we will have hourly billing. In this case, the energy consumed in the morning may be twice as expensive as that consumed at noon. Thanks to Victron energy components, keeping up with these changes has recently become possible. With the help of Node-RED, we have built a system that, based on dynamically loaded variables from the energy market, can charge or discharge batteries at the right moment. In this way, we have been able to create a solution that allows us to maximize profit by sending energy to the grid when the prices are high and storing energy in batteries where the prices are low. Let's take a quick look at how we developed a temporary solution for one of our clients. The energy price from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. and from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. was 0.4 zloty. Any other time you buy energy for 0.7 zloty, but you sell energy from solar for 1.15 zloty. As you can see on the chart, energy produced by solar was exported to the grid to maximize profit. The batteries were charged only during the cheaper period and discharged when energy from the grid would have been more expensive. So what is Node-RED? It is a web-based tool that you can install on almost every GX device and start working right away. You can create a flow that takes data from various inputs and transforms it with different tools or functions. At the end, you will be able to use the output to influence the operation of the system or present data in colorful charts and dashboards. For example, you can change ESS mode, play with grid set point, or open-close physical relays. If energy prices reflect supply and demand, it is the operation of such a system that will help stabilize the grid in the long run. This is precisely what we are doing at ENERP. But Node-RED can be used for a variety of applications. For example, it can be used to integrate with smart home applications, communicate with your car using Tesla plugins, or build a more advanced logic for diesel generators to protect yourself against power outage. We are thrilled that Victron proactively expands the possibilities of automation in its solutions. It allows us to respond to the needs of our clients to a greater extent and adapt to the constantly changing legal environment. We are always looking for ways to improve our solutions, and we welcome any feedback or ideas you may have. Tell us what you think on how else you can use this tool, or maybe you are already using it and want to share your experience. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and we invite you to subscribe to our channel. See you soon!